Managing employee time off can be time-consuming and hard to track. QuickBooks Online Payroll helps simplify this by letting you set up time-off policies, manage requests between employees and managers, and automatically include approved time off in payroll. In this video, you'll learn how to create a time-off policy, handle requests, and run payroll with time off included. Go to Time Off and open the Policies tab. Add a new time off policy. Choose a time off type and enter a name. Indicate whether there is a limit to how much time off employees can take. Choosing a limit enables additional settings. In the Accrual Details section, set how employees earn time off, including accrual rules and the accrual period. In the Balance and Carryover section, define limits, negative balances, and how unused time is handled. Select Create Policy to assign policy members and enter their starting balances. Select Assign Policy to review the time off policy details and assign members. Make any necessary changes and select Done. Once time off is set up, employees can request time off in QuickBooks Workforce. Sign in as an employee and open Time Off. From here, view existing requests and current balances. Select Add Request. Choose the time off type and use the toggle to choose full or partial days. Enter the request dates and hours, and review the current and remaining balance to see how the request affects available time. Submit the request. The status updates to pending until approved. Sign in as a manager and go to Team, then select Time Off. From the Overview tab, view a summary of team time off. Open the Requests tab to view all requests and use filters to narrow results. Select a request to open the Details panel, where you can review the employee, dates, hours, and available balance, then approve or deny it. Managers can also create requests on behalf of employees. Return to QuickBooks Online and run payroll as usual. Approved time off is automatically included for employees within the selected pay period. Now you're ready to set up and manage time off for your team.